Hi, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website Vitaman.com. I'm on the home page. I really love the logo. You show one of your products in the hero image. You tell about you are an award winner of this recognizable magazine, which is a trust signal, which is really building your authority as a brand. So this is perfect. There is call to action. You tell a little bit more about what you're offering, what is unique about this product. Additional promotional items, promotional information which helps your conversion rate, call to action in the navigation. Perfect. Okay, the logos here, you show that you've been featured in those magazines, so this is perfect. Would be great to link each individual logo to the magazine feature, so people see whether it was an award, whether it was an article, whether it was you were featured in their gallery as an advertisement. So make sure to specify it a little bit more. The featured products look really nice. I'm not a great fan of this green. Uh, it doesn't really go with the rest of your premium looking website. So think about maybe changing the color maybe to gold. Dark gold could work because your packaging is similar color, this kind of very dark gold, dark brown. So I think perhaps changing the color will help your branding a little bit more. However, this is the homepage is pretty consistent. It looks like you have been working for quite a long time, quite hard on this website, on this business, and it's really paying off. I love the footer navigation as well, very user friendly. It would be great to add your social media links here to have active social media presence, and obviously link to those sites from the footer. You've got professional email address. Perfect. Contact us page looks great, very user friendly. There is a short call to action at the top, which is excellent. Your collection page looks great. However, as the product images are quite busy, you're showing a number of items in one image. It would be great to show them 3 items per row instead of 4, so people will be able to see them in more comfort, which will give your items more premium feel and scarcity feel, and it will make the product images bigger because they will be stretched out over the full width of the screen, which will improve your user experience, the browsing experience, and it will increase your conversion rate. So think about showing the product 3 items per row instead of 4. Instead, this gives having 4 items with this kind of busy images gives you this kind of very street market feel where all the items are packed together. So think about building your premium branding through the images, through the display, because you've already done quite a lot of work with designing your packages, with promotion, with public relations, with PR. So these are the final touches to convert more on your website. The product page looks great. I love the SEO friendly titles. Would be great to show add to cart above default. It kind of disappears on the screen. So above default is the best converting area visible without scrolling down, and the stores that convert the best, such as Amazon and so on, they try to have all those vital calls to action, all those vital information that people need to complete the purchase, to have them displayed above the fold so people can seamlessly check out, buy without scrolling down. I feel that your font is too big, especially this area takes quite a lot of space. It can be reduced to drop down menu, so it takes less space. The price is quite big, the title is in 2 lines, so think about either reducing mm, the font, or reducing the, sorry, making the font smaller, or reducing the title, although I don't think you want to reduce in the title, although you do repeat thickening hair twice, so think about thinning hair, thickening hair. Okay, thinning hair. Oh, I see. Thickening hair, care routine for men with thinning hair. Okay, so think about which keyword could be better, because maybe only one keyword would be better. Thickening hair care routine for men, which only tells all the information people know, that if someone has thinning hair, they want to thicken their hair, they see, okay, this is the product for me. So you don't have to repeat this kind of keyword twice. You can repeat this, for example, in a different product. So you can tell hair care routine for men with thinning hair in a different product to have this kind of variety, but avoid keyword stuffing. It will help you have more SEO friendly product titles, and obviously reduce, optimize the add to cart area, which definitely needs attention, to help your conversion rate. However, the description, product descriptions are really nice. Details, product details here, perfect. Shipping and guarantee, so free US shipping, perfect. Ship within 1 to 2 business days. Okay, it would be great to add the delivery time, because I understand that shipped is being dispatched. However, make sure to specify how long is the delivery, so people know how long they are to wait on the product. Okay. Okay, great. Yeah, the product page looks great, but it needs those little finishing touches to really improve the user experience, to improve the conversion rate, and to make sure that the purchase the purchase process is seamless and is very sleek and very user friendly, because this is what people really expect right now. This is the new norm. So make sure to reduce the number of clicks, reduce the number of actions people have to take to complete the purchase. It will improve your conversion rate. Okay, returns and refunds is perfect. You include your return address, which is ideal, so people know how to contact you, where to return, what kind of weight is there. So this is really, really ideal. Perfect. Your SEO score is 51 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The Google snippet is nicely optimized. The meta description is slightly too long, so remember to keep it under 165 characters, but it's optimized and it just needs call to action at the end. The heading tags look great. Remember to add even more variety. So start with H1 as you do, and then H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. But obviously H1, H2 is the basis. It's definitely enough. But if you wanted to add more H tags, obviously not necessarily on the homepage, but on pages like About Us, blog posts, and so on, use them in bigger variety. Remember to optimize all images with SEO-friendly alt tags, and fix any broken links. They can also affect your SEO and sales, because if Google doesn't cannot crawl the pages because they cannot access them through the broken link, obviously it will reduce the number of indexed pages in the search engines. And also, if people keep seeing the error page, keep seeing broken link, keep seeing 404 page, it's quite off-putting from browsing your website further. They might click back, which will obviously affect your sales. It will affect your bounce rate as well, which is part of SEO. Your website loads in over 2 seconds, which is okay, but it's on the verge of being not very user friendly. Majority of the Shopify stores are loading in under 1 second, so this is new norm. So think about optimizing your content further. There are certain areas to work on. So I encourage you to work on the loading speed. Because Google is not very keen on ranking slower websites, ranking them high in the search results. So improving the loading speed even by 1 second will definitely improve your sales, will definitely improve your SEO, and will help you get ranked higher and higher and higher in Google organically. If you like this audit, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The details are in the email. And remember to book your free chat with our Shopify experts to go through all of the elements mentioned in the critique, learn how to fix them, learn how to drive more free traffic to your website, and convert visitors into paying customers. So don't miss this opportunity. It's 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert. Book it now. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Chat with you soon. Bye-bye.